Ideas are like babies, because everyone thinks theirs is cute, therefore be objective when judging your own ideas. Ideas are like shoes, because you need to break them in, therefore take time to evaluate new ideas. Ideas are like mirrors, because they reflect the local environment, therefore consider changing context to get more diverse collections of ideas. Ideas are like hiccups, because when they start, they don't stop, therefore take advantage of idea streaks. Ideas are like bubbles, because they easily burst, therefore be gentle with them.